So I'm going to show you a staggered kettlebell swing. This is one that I've been repping and working with for a while, so I'm just sort of still figuring out how best to teach it. But one of my main things with working with Ultimate players is that it's really important to train the legs individually, do a lot of single leg work, and yet one of my big movements is the kettlebell swing, which is very much a double leg movement. And you know, that and power cleans, all these things are two legs in the same place, in the same plane. And a lot of where we need and want that hip extension and power is from a staggered sense or while we're running. And so experimenting with some of John Hardy's stuff, moving one foot in front of the other, has sort of led me to this staggered swing idea. So this is how it goes. So you want one foot forward, and then you want one leg back at a kind of an angle. So you're sort of in this plane like this. Both feet are facing forward. Basically, you want the legs wide enough apart so that you're not going to bang yourself in the knee when you swing the kettlebell through. So if my right foot is forward, I want to hold on with my left hand. So I'm going to start the swing. I want to make sure my shoulders are back. You want about 70% of your weight on the front foot, about 30% on your left. And then from here, we just start swinging. So we just do our kettlebell swing. So it's going to feel different. And you want to track it with your eyes to make sure that you're not going to hit yourself, at least until you feel more confident. Boom. So you still want to think, I'm using my hip instead of my arm. Okay? So from the side, it looks kind of like this. So I'm still getting a really good hip hinge. I'm not squatting. You notice my knee isn't really coming forward. Boom. So I'm really focusing on driving through with that hip. So play around with it. If you go heavier, you can really get that kind of very powerful hip extension that we're looking for. But these are also just really great to do from an endurance standpoint. They get your heart rate going a lot. And again, you'll really notice right to left if you have any big imbalances. You can work more on the side that's weaker and getting that to feel that you get the same amount of snap from that side. Give it a shot.